Hi my lovely people, I'm Kanak and welcome to my channel Very Steady Eat. Today we are going to see how to prepare Shahi Tukra. As the name itself suggests, Shahi, which means rich in texture. So we are going to prepare this rich dessert cuisine. For making the rabdi, place the milk into a thick bottom vessel and bring it to boil. Add the condensed milk and mix well nicely and reduce the flame and allow it to reduce to half its original quantity. Stir it in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now while it is simmering, also add in the saffron and cardamom to the milk and again mix well. Here I have used condensed milk for sweetening and also I like the texture of it. But if you want, you can also add in sugar instead of that, and you can add as per your taste. Once it has become nice, thick and creamy in texture as you can see now, turn off the heat and keep it aside. Now in a different bowl or container, place the water and sugar and now let the sugar dissolve completely. Once it is boiled and dissolved completely, let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. We don't have to make it very thick or thin. Once our sugar syrup is ready, now turn off the heat and keep aside. Now next, apply some ghee on the sides of the bread and also on the non-stick pan and lightly fry them until they are nice golden brown on both the sides. Toast them for around 2 to 3 minutes on either sides until nicely crisp and brown. Once it has got nice color now, dip the bread pieces into the sugar syrup and drain well the excess syrup out of that. If you want, you can also deep fry the bread pieces for a more richer taste, but this is also a very good and healthy option. Now arrange the bread pieces on a plate and spread the prepared rabdi onto the bread and sprinkle some almonds and pistachio on top and a very little saffron strands. Now you can chill it and serve. And my lovely and rich Shahi Tukra is ready. As you can see, they are perfectly golden brown in color with some rabdi and dry fruit on top, and they look quite rich and dignified for your guests. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel Very Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes. Thanks for all your love and support. This is me Kanak signing off. Bye bye.